Hi everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I am here with Chef Val today from OUTU School of Community Medicine. Always a pleasure having you, and we are upon the biggest feast of the year, Thanksgiving. So what are we making today?
So this is a fresh Brussels sprout
Right.
salad. And so these are shaved, they're raw, and you can either cut them really finely with a knife, or we put these in the food processor on the slicer attachment.
Okay.
And so you just get these like really nice little slices, and if this looks like more work than you want to do, you can also buy these in a bag already shaved for you. They cost a little bit more, but you know, the thing that keeps you out of the kitchen is shaved Brussels sprouts.
Keeps you sane, especially this time of year.
Yes, what keeps you sane, yes. So this is going to be a great salad that would go very well with your Thanksgiving dinner. So we have a lot of rich things on Thanksgiving, a lot of butter and cream and all the savory, right? And so a little fresh acidity to cut that is really nice.
It's good.
Yes. And so we're going to start out, we have some lemon juice, lime juice, no, that's not right, lemon juice, orange juice, garlic, shallot, and the zest from those citrus fruits also.
I was going to say, we'll just say citrus. Doesn't that just leave it easier?
Yeah, no grapefruit, no lime in this.
Well, that's true. That's true.
A little bit of honey for some sweetness.
Everybody loves honey.
A little bit sticky, there we go.
Of course.
And then some olive oil.
Okay.
And this is just gonna, I mean, this is seriously easy peasy. And of course the recipe is on the website.
Okay, and is this something you could do ahead, or is it better to do right before you're gonna serve it?
I mean, you can definitely make the vinaigrette a couple of days, a few days before. Okay. And honestly, I think the salad is even better if you make it and let everything, all the flavors meld together maybe the night before.
Let it sit.
Yeah.
So it's oh, sorry, go ahead.
Really, the acidity from the citrus, it kind of, in a way, cooks or breaks down those Brussels sprouts.
Okay.
So this just is all going to get tossed together really well.
So this is just an easy add-on you can easily, you know, put into your menu, and you're getting a little bit of that fresh vegetable. Not that you're not with the other things, but like you said, there might be a little more cream and butter this time of year than what we should normally do.
Right.
So again, we're just taking a little bit of those healthier choices, making tiny little changes that are going to be better in the long run.
Right. And so we're just going to put some sunflower seeds on here. These are roasted and lightly salted. Okay. These just can get stirred together. And then the last thing would be, and this is totally optional, some dried cranberries, some dried, some raisins, either golden raisins or dark raisins, either one. So if you want to give that a taste, you're welcome to do so.
Oh, if I must, right? Please. If I have to, I will totally do it. Ooh. Hold on, I gotta be able to.
So a lot of people say that they don't really like Brussels sprouts. I think most of the time those are overcooked. And I think this is a great alternative because it is fresh and you don't get that kind of stinky flavor and smell that you get when you cook Brussels sprouts sometimes.
Right. No, I totally agree. And I think people get a little scared sometimes when they hear Brussels sprouts, but they're delicious and it's a good option to have them fresh.
Good.
Thank you. Perfect for Thanksgiving or any other time. If you want to learn about this recipe or any other recipes, head to kjrh.com.